Dude, drink some water, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, brother. Dude, these eyes is getting so red.
Why did I do that? What's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day today.
As you guys can see by the title, today we're gonna be doing the hottest pepper in the country challenge. Well, not we, but I already did it.
But I'm gonna try and suffer, so.
He's gonna do. You guys remember when me and Laz did the hottest pepper in the country challenge?
I was
and we failed.
Well, that day I had class, so couldn't make that day.
We failed, so we're gonna roll a clip right now.
Yeah, it's gonna be some way by there.
1, 2.
And then we're gonna have a pop-up card on the screen so you guys can click and go watch that video. But watch that video after you finish watching this video. And let's see if he. This is very, very small, guys.
But
This pepper is
it's very hot.
It's the hottest pepper in the country, dude. So I don't know, and it's green.
But hold on, wait. If you're watching, what are you doing?
Yeah,
what
you
are you
guys need
doing?
to subscribe. If you guys are watching and not subscribed, you need to go down and hit the big red subscribe button.
And see the bell? Hit that ding dong bell, man.
Hit that bell. Hit the bell. And let's get into this video.
So guys, I am attempting to try this pepper. Well, as far as I saw that he ended up crying.
Yeah, you guys. Yeah.
So let's hope that I don't cry.
You're not gonna make it. I'm just telling you right now. No cap. You're not gonna make it, bro.
Wow.
It's hot. So if you guys, for good luck, just go down and smash the like button below. Comment down below fun challenges you guys want to see us do, and you can tag us on Instagram, do a video. If you can do this challenge, this pepper challenge right now, just get this pepper. It's called a bird pepper. Get this pepper. Do a challenge. Tag us on Instagram. Send us a video so we
Don't
can see.
underestimate it, guys, because this little fella here.
You guys know great things come in small packages. So
So let's see what this small package brings.
hold on, dude. This is no joke. Wait, we don't got no water. No, water only makes it hotter, I believe. No, but like seriously, you know. What are we gonna do?
It's a half down blessing speed down.
Whoa, so guys.
I'll be like, hello! Help me, please!
No, you won't be able to speak when you're finished.
I'll be like,
You won't be able to speak, so let's just get straight into the video.
here's the pepper, guys.
So not we're. Why did I keep saying we're?
You guys wanna try it?
No, I'm not doing that again. You guys saw that I got messed up pretty bad. He is going to eat the pepper now. And we got some water right here. Got it in a little Coca-Cola cup. Not sponsored, by the way. Please.
Guys,
sponsor.
if you're sorry for me, so you're gonna get me a glass of water.
Yeah, water.
So
Water only makes it worse, so let's hold this. This is all I'm giving to you. That's in your hands. Your life is in your hands with this pepper right here. Give it to me. What are you doing? What's wrong with you? He's not.
Just kidding, guys. Let's go.
Let's go.
So I'm gonna break the stem off. So
Dude. Just don't scream. It's gonna be pretty loud. So, what are you gonna listen to, bro?
guys, you go,
So you gotta chew it up. Dude, no cap. That. Just don't grab onto me. Don't do anything. Just do you, brother. If you need an ambulance, I can call an ambulance because it's. Let it sink in, dude. You guys watched the next video with me and Waz. I spit that shit out like in 5 seconds. He's chewing and like meditating on some shit. Whoa, yo, he's hitting him.
Got him!
It's hitting him. Dude. It's hot, right? Whoa, did he start to sweat? What? Dude, you alright? You alright, bro?
Bruh.
Dude, drink some water, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me, brother. Dude, these eyes is getting so red.
why did I do that?
What? It's alright. Whoa, he's sweating. Shit. Dude, you have asthma? No? You have
Guys,
sinus, right?
Yeah, but guys, I'm seeing doubles right now. Can
Dude, drink the water, man. Take it easy, take it easy, bro. This guy's eye is getting blood red. Yo, go easy on the water. Don't drink it. The water's supposed to stay in your mouth. Keep it cool. Don't drink it. It's going in your stomach. Peppers in your mouth.
I got no peppers in my mouth. Swallow it.
This guy is crazy. The guy ate the whole pepper. I just bit the pepper and spit it out. Dude, go easy on water. There's no more water.
Nope.
So that's it. I'm just gonna wait until the pain just
Disappear.
So, you good? Oh, it's still there.
I'm good. I'm good.
Rate the pain. From 1 to 10. Rate the pain. 1 to 10 right now. Oh, it's going. 1 to 10.
Well, as far as I guess,
He can't even speak. He can't even speak.
I get 8.5.
8?
8. Because this
Wow.
pepper stronger than a 30.
Okay. Wow.
But
What the hell? I told you he was going to make it. He was like, you guys are sissies. I'm gonna make this pepper challenge with no, just a breeze through. Nope. You good?
I'm gonna be like, nope.
Dude, what are you doing? This guy's hallucinating right now.
Oh, just forgot. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe.
Dude, something's wrong with you.
Pepper's kidding. But
He has no pain. I could not even speak. This guy is saying to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Dude,
guys,
something's
if
wrong
you
with
guys want to see that I fit 5 peppers in my mouth at the same time,
5 of those peppers?
5 of those peppers, well, I wish I had them to show you, but I ate it.
Nope, that's not possible.
If it 5 or 10, this video is 1,000 likes, guys. I'm gonna do it with no water, no milk. I will hold it in my mouth for 5 minutes.
Dude, that's, I believe virtually that's impossible, brother. Nope, no way. No way
Guys,
that's
even though
happening.
it is impossible, I'm still gonna try.
That's not happening, nope. No cap, you're not doing that, brother.
I'm hot.
It's rate the pain from 1 to 10 right now. How much? It's
I
been
just
like,
did it,
it's been
8.5.
like 5 minutes. Still? 8.5?
8.5.
It's not gone up, not come down? No, sip. Same thing?
Same thing.
Oh.
Like I'm burping fire.
What's wrong with this guy? Whoa.
But I'm good. I'm good.
You're good?
I'm good.
Ah, wow.
If you guys did not see me in the next video, something went wrong.
I believe something has to go wrong because you just ate a freaking bird pepper like it was nothing, and you're still telling the people to get 1,000 likes on this video so you can fit 5 in your mouth. I just don't see how this adds up.
Okay, I'm gonna put 5.
You're
I'm gonna put 10. 10. 10's gonna work.
Bruh.
If I don't do it, you gotta give me. If I do it, you gotta give me $100 or $200. If I had it for 5 minutes. But if I do it, he got, oh shit, I only got $10.
The guy only has $10 in his wallet, and he's talking about $100. Because you know, oh,
What is this guy? I got it. Hit it in the face.
Oh, I'm gonna just keep this 10 right then.
What?
I'm gonna keep now. Oh. Here you go, sir.
Thank you very much. It was nice in business.
Wait, you're not like, it's not hot?
No, I'm good.
Oh wow, so
I'm good.